Hi there, this is David from Adam's Image, and it's day 10 here at the New Zealand photo tour. We're off to Doubtful Sound for a boat ride. Come join the adventure. We began our day's photography by photographing the sunrise on our balcony. We started the day's journey by traveling to the town of Manapori. We were lucky to catch an interesting moment shot with a layer of cloud behind it. The Doubtful Sound journey includes a short boat ride from Manapori to the Manapori Power Station, a 40-minute bus ride through the Wilmot Pass, later to be picked up by another boat for a 2-hour tour through the fjords out to the Tasman Sea and back. According to history, Captain James Cook, the English captain responsible for mapping the islands of New Zealand, sailed near the harbor and decided that it would be doubtful he could safely enter the sound and sail back out, and continued around the South Island. This is one of the wettest places on Earth, an average of over 200 days a year in rain, delivering over 7 meters of rain annually. Doubtful Sound is part of a World Heritage UNESCO site, stretches over 30 miles to Manapori. It is loaded with fauna and flora and often harbors dolphins, seals, and penguins. This turned out to be a great day. I really enjoyed Doubtful Sound. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you liked my video. Please hit the subscribe button to be notified of new adventures from Adam's Image. Goodbye until next time.